What is original jurisdiction for the Supreme Court? Imagine a case so significant that it requires the highest court in the land to hear it first, rather than going through lower courts. This is where the concept of original jurisdiction for the Supreme Court comes into focus. It refers to the authority of the Supreme Court to hear certain types of cases directly, without those cases passing through lower courts first. This jurisdiction is explicitly outlined in the United States Constitution, specifically in Article 3, Section 2. The Constitution grants the Supreme Court original jurisdiction in cases involving disputes between two or more states. For example, if one state claims that another state has violated its rights or boundaries, the case goes directly to the Supreme Court. This is because such disputes are considered to involve issues of national importance that requiring the highest judicial authority to resolve. Additionally, cases involving ambassadors, diplomats, or other representatives of foreign governments also fall under the Supreme Court's original jurisdiction. These cases are considered to have a unique international significance and are directly brought before the court. It is important to note that while the Constitution specifies these types of cases, the Supreme Court has the discretion to decide whether to hear cases under its original jurisdiction. Most cases involving disputes between states are brought directly to the Supreme Court, but the court may choose to decline jurisdiction if it deems appropriate. When the court does exercise its original jurisdiction, it often holds a trial like proceeding to hear evidence and make a ruling. In contrast, the majority of cases reaching the Supreme Court come through appellate jurisdiction, where the court reviews decisions made by lower courts. These cases typically involve questions about the interpretation or application of federal law or constitutional rights. Original jurisdiction cases are relatively rare and are usually reserved for matters of profound national or international importance. Understanding the scope of the Supreme Court's original jurisdiction helps clarify how the highest court in the United States handles cases that are fundamental to the nation's legal and political framework. It underscores the court's role not only as an appellate body but also as a tribunal that can directly resolve disputes of critical importance.